my experience with the Conceptual Orthopedic app is very great. The knowledge which we are getting it from here, it is unmatchable. And the things which we are getting, it is very concise knowledge of many 30 years, 40 years of experience we are getting from so many professors, which is unmatchable.
App is very nice, and it is especially designed for budding orthopedicians, which are new to the orthopedics. So every topic is explained in detail, and the faculties from topmost medical colleges of India, and Dr. Dipti sir is also giving mentorship to the FRCS students there.
It is a good app. I regularly use that app, and if any case I'm facing any difficulty, I can easily see that app.
The Conceptual Orthopedic app, it was one-stop go for all the clinical examination and even surgical videos.